What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am actually re-recording the intro to this video because I thought I was recording the first time and I was not. That's another CO shit on a red dust. It's going to chilly ass prep for your left eye. City tonight, walk around here with my head high. So, what's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Welcome back. Sorry that I haven't posted in a week. I am still conflicted on what type of good content I'm trying to put out for you guys.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
And if I did put content out, I want to make sure I'm doing something in the video that I could look back on and be like, oh yeah, that was fun. And, let that be that. But, I do have some good and bad news for y'all. I've been trying to put out more content and get with my friends to see how I can, like, basically make a functioning business out of what I'm doing from the jump, so I don't do it too late on in the game and have to wait all this time for my brand deal, or my brand, because I do want to make, like, a clothing brand. When it comes to content creation, a lot of people make merch, and I want to make merch, but I want to do it the right way. And now that I have a lot of people who are also doing it, it's a lot easier for me to be like, well, to know what to do and what not to do. But on the other hand, I don't really have money at the moment right now to do that, and I know I don't really have a big fan base or a fan base at all right now, so there's no point of me doing it in the first place. But I also wanted to ask you guys, because I was talking to a few of my other friends, and I just want to know how you guys feel about people making clothing brands but not really being like an influencer. Like, there's some people in our community, or just in social media in general, who, excuse me, I had to itch my nose. There's some people in general who, like, barely post on social media but have a big following, and they'll make clothing brands and they haven't posted videos in weeks, months. And I understand there's one thing about being burnt out, but then there's another part of me is like, how can you be burnt out and still making, like, a clothing brand? Like, I feel like it's such a bad business decision when you haven't posted in months, but you're trying to promote your clothing brand. Like, just think if you at least posted a few days or weeks and kept people updated on, like, the clothing brand and stuff like that, how many more people would be intrigued about your merch? I don't know, maybe I'm just thinking about it like from a point of view, like a business point of view, rather than how do I say that? I know it. That's exactly why I take these turns wide as hell, because I always know someone's gonna jump on my line. I think about it like, how could you go from not posting at all to just randomly like, okay guys, I actually just started a clothing brand, go buy my clothing brand. And it's like, bro, you haven't posted in months. Like, why would I buy your brand? Like, we thought you were done content creating. You didn't say anything, you just randomly stopped posting. Like, in my head, I'm like, bro, it takes 2 seconds to be like, hey guys, I know I haven't posted in a while, I've just been out of it, but we're getting back into it soon, I'll keep y'all updated. Like, bro, that takes 2 seconds to do. Hold on, let me do a little pull right here. But I understand, there's also a part of me that understands, like, okay, maybe you're, like, tired of making content, but at least update your people, bro. Like, in my head, I'm like, bro, at least post once a week saying, like, oh, this is what's going on, or, like, multiple times a day, like, hey, what else did you got, like, interact with the community, bro. It takes 2 seconds. Most of the time, you don't even gotta respond. You can just ask people what they think about random stuff. Like, just post something, bro, something. I don't really think reposts count, but let people know that you're still, like, intrigued, you still, like, want to interact with the community, stuff like that. Anywho, I was also conflicted because I see a lot of people who are doing this but don't care to make it, like, a career. But then when something goes on in the community, they're the first ones to say something about it. It's like, bro, you don't even care about the community. Why are you doing it? Like, why are you even commenting on stuff in the first place? Like, go back to your regular job. The amount of people I see that are like, oh, I can't believe people are doing this in the community, this and that. And then they be the first ones to like, well, I don't really care about their social media stuff. Like, it's just a fun hobby for me on the side. Then shut your ass up. Damn, everybody got an opinion about everything that they don't even care about. Motherfuckers just like yapping. But I digress. I want to keep the vibes positive. I just want to know what y'all think. Anyways, this video, we're going to be taking me, Emily. But anyways, me and Emily are going to be going to the park. We're going to walk Sophie. Just a chill little day. I figured I'll record something quick for you guys. Give y'all something since I haven't posted in a week. But I am always like updated on my social medias. So just watch out for those if you guys don't already follow me on social media. I'll link it in the description, and I will hold on, I thought my bike was making a weird noise. I'll link it in the description, and I will post it on the screen for you guys. But I appreciate everybody who watched this video. If anything happens, I guess I'll pick the camera back up and go from there. But if I don't, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Sorry to tell you guys, I wasn't recording this whole time.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog.
I thought I was spitting facts. I was just keeping you guys updated. I was keeping you guys updated on. I was keeping you guys updated on why I haven't posted as much as I would like to, and how I can do better, and like little things that my friends were telling me to do to like grow on my social media. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll basically just tell you guys what I was trying to tell you on the way home. Guys, look at this view. But yeah, we made it here. We got Sophie. Say hello, Soph.
Fuck!
She busy.
Yeah, she busy sniffing right now.
There's something shiny under all of that.
Something shiny.
Like confetti or something?
Oh, yeah, it's confetti. Oh, look at that boat. Look at the boat.
I wish I had a boat.
No boat for you. Oh, ripstick. Oh my god, I haven't seen one of those in forever.
I like a very like
does
vivid
look
core
just-
memory of like me in Mexico. Like riding one of those.
Oh my
I
god.
wish I busted my ass. Actually, I think I got the hang of it for like 2 seconds. I just remember I went to the corner store with my cousins.
I remember when my parents bought me my first ripstick, and me and my friend would try to wheelie our ripsticks. Me and my boy Frederick. I'm actually gonna send this video to him when I finish editing. I'm gonna send this video to him when I finish editing it. But I know he remembers trying to wheelie our ripsticks. He used to be the wheelie king. That's what we used to call him, because he could wheelie our whole street. I could only wheelie like half of it before I lose balance.
Yeah, 'cause you're a loser.
Yeah, I was a loser. But yeah, he was a freaking beast. I'm not even gonna lie.
Hey, I was sitting outside and I was reading my book and I was like, wow. I felt like
At
a
peace.
monk.
She said, Oh my god, this is like so peaceful. Like if I could just have a house. Huh? Uh-oh. I got 2 poopy bags. If I could just put my house like at the end of
In the
like
middle of the
this.
And then to get to your house, you would have to like swim there and then like
No,
attack
no.
the alligators that would like get to you.
Yeah, no,
And
probably
then-
not that one.
And then yeah,
What the heck is that moving in the water?
the alligator that you had to fight off.
It's probably a turtle. I would like for my house to be at like where that lighthouse is, or like right there, like where that big open spot is, so I could just walk out my house.
Yeah,
fish.
but I wish this was like actual beach so I can like go in.
Oh yeah, that'd be better. That's a better idea.
Yeah, because my boyfriend didn't want to take me to the beach today, so now I have to live at the beach.
Why the fuck you lying?
I'm gonna beat your ass. For legal reasons, that's a joke. You're gonna get shot on. No, the benches are clean, so that just is evidence that they're not shooting.
There's a spider web on it.
Okay, we might turn into Spidey Man. We might turn into Spidey Man, but that okay. Alright, I'm gonna chill for a little bit and I'm gonna pick the camera back up when something interesting happens. Since I'm a freaking loser. Bro, I thought that freaking bunny was a coconut. Y'all see that?
Tell me you're a little dumb without telling me you're a little dumb.
I'm gonna beat your ass. Say what's up, Soph. Oh, we gotta put this thing back in night mode. Hold up. Alright. There we go. Say hello, Soph. Sophie's just enjoying the sunlight. You got Emily over here on the swings. We're gonna get her water. Give me 1 sec. Right. Sit right here, Soph. Sophie's such a good girl. Look at her just sitting here. Hey, hello. Wait, Sophie. You want ice cream? Huh? You want me to get us ice cream? Yeah. Okay. No. Sophie, you got your water? Alright, let's go get mommy some ice cream, okay? Let's go. The ice cream truck just pulled up, so we're gonna go get some ice cream. Alright, so me and Sophie are going to get Emily some ice cream while she enjoys the swings. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. Hello. Good, how are you? How much is the Tweety Bird ice cream?
I let it go for about $40.
$40?
I don't know what she wants. And then how much is a strawberry shortcake?
5.
Are they all 5?
Pretty much.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
I probably should have asked her what she wants. Let me see what she wants real quick. Vale. ¿Qué tú quieres? They're all 5. They're all 5.
You don't want to get it?
No, what do you want?
Is there like a drumstick?
A drumstick? Yeah.
Yeah, but like OG drumstick.
Okay. Come here, Sophie. Can I do the sour wower and an OG vanilla drumstick? This one?
Which one? This one?
This one.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
And the drumstick.
Okay.
Alright, so we ended up getting a sour wower and a drumstick. I did not expect it to be $5, but you know, inflation.
Somebody tag in Donald Trump. Donald Trump, if you can hear us, please, Donald Trump, please save me. Please save me, Donald Trump, please.
So, you also got to keep into account his maintenance for his truck, how expensive gas prices are. And if we don't buy ice cream from ice cream shops, they'll cease to exist one day.
and we're still gonna want ice cream trucks for our kids. So let's keep it going. Hopefully in the future prices will go down and they'll go back to OG prices like they used to, but we'll see. But we got Emily her ice cream, got me my ice cream, and then Sophie got her water because she can't have ice cream.
Fuck!
If it were up to me, I'd give the ice cream man $100 and then tell all these kids to come get their own ice cream. Sophie, where are you going? Where'd Vale go? Oh, she's in the shade. Vale. Yo he comprado helado para ti.
Sophie, come sit. It's too hot. Yippee! Here. Oh my god, thank you!
Yeah.
Can you give me her bowl?
Yeah.
Just chill here, Sophie, okay? Drink agua. Then.
Yeah.
That's so fun.
What do you rate your ice cream?
10 out of 10.
I rate mine 8.5 out of 10.
That's why you should like it. It is better.
Sophie, what do you rate your water?
I thought, why the fuck did you get me an ice cream?
Sophie, ice cream is no good for you.
But I told him to get you an ice cream, but he was like, no, I don't want to buy her an ice cream.
I did not say that, Sophie.
Yeah. You don't want to sit on the...
And just like that, we are getting back on the bike and we are heading back to Emily's house. Why does this look scratched? For some reason the paint is chipping on my little lever. But the bike is pretty dirty, honestly. Need a little wash. Need a little wash. But let's see what we got in here. We got the... we got that pista. Alright, let me pick you guys back up once we actually get on the bike.
And I will post it on the screen for you guys. But I appreciate everybody who watched this video. If anything happens, I guess I'll pick the camera back up and go from there. But if I don't, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.